What's up, everybody? Thank you for joining me on another video, Make Money with HRC PG. I'll be your host for today, as always. But before I go ahead and jump into the video, I just want to say, everybody that's being affected by the coronavirus, my heart goes out to you. I completely feel your pain. I understand your pain. Hopefully this pandemic will pass, in like a drop of a dime, because everybody's suffering. I have people that do Lyft and Uber, and they're like, yo, I have no idea what I'm gonna do for the next couple of weeks to make money because no one's getting rides, no one's getting in my car. I have a friend that hates share rides, and he's like, yo, I live for these share rides now because these regular rides just aren't cutting it. And with the government and the news and everyone else telling everybody stay inside, no one's necessarily making money, and unfortunately no one's actually giving them money. So it's really rough when people don't know where their next dollar is going to come from. All right. Second, people that are wearing these gloves, please, you're adding to the germs and the bacteria that we're trying to not necessarily have, because it's making people sick. Short story, short example, I promise. So today I'm at the store and I see a guy cough in his glove, opens the door, then goes inside and does everything else. Irked me. Why? Because the whole point of the gloves is to not go ahead and now spread any more disease or any more germs. But I notice people now are just, I have on a glove and a mask, and no one's actually taking the precautions to use it correctly. I would think that if I cough in a glove, I'm going to take it off, use a new glove. I get into the store, do everything that I need to do, touch whatever, even though that's still transferring some form of bacteria. But by the time I leave the store, upon exit, I'm throwing that glove away. I see people literally using the same glove to open their door, get in the car, touch their cell phone. What exactly do you think you're solving right now? Like, that's literally the thought in my head. So that's just been a mess overall. But if you guys are interested, please do check out my podcast, AKP, Keeping It Real. Every Sunday we have heartfelt, unapologetic conversations, and we cover just about everything. Link will be in the bio. Also, before I go ahead and get in the video, how could I forget? Please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know what you think in the comments. I'll definitely get back to you. I can't think of anything else right now. But I do, however, have 6 jobs that you are able to work from home in the comfort of your home, especially during this pandemic that's taking place. So if you ever want to know how to, we're gonna get it too. Don't even worry about that part. How to get to crickets. All right. So the first job that I have listed here would be blogs. Now, when I say blogs, if you're really good at writing, I would definitely say create a blog. Your blog could be on any topic. It could be a blog that is a very general blog that speaks about everything. It could be very specific. So if you're into finances, you can speak about finances. If you're into babies, you can speak about babies. If you're into health, traveling, cooking, whatever it is that captivates your soul, that you would love to share this information with everybody, I would say write about it. If you're somebody that loves to vape, write about it, because there's somebody out there that's willing to read it. And not only from reading it, you're getting exposure, not to mention you're building trust and you're building authority in that area. So now this person, they're reposting your blog, which is going to drive traffic for you. And not to mention, they now, see you as someone that you will have a repeat customer, you will have a repeat reader within this person. So that is pretty awesome. All right. Second, I would say to start an online business. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be drop shipping, which a lot of people are getting into, but it could be selling products online, in the sense of you're selling baby products, you're selling personal fitness products, you're selling health related products, whatever it is, again, that you feel like you can master this, or you really love this thing, I would definitely say go ahead and sell it. Sell it as a course, sell it as an ebook, sell it, you know, as like a PDF download based on the person either signing up for your website, which would tie into a blog, or some kind of monthly subscription, or something to where you have residuals coming from that outlet. Okay. Next, I would say that with the blog, with having the store, you could also go ahead and look into coaching. Now, a lot of people might say coaching. Yeah, there's a lot of people out here that needs coaching in the sense of personal fitness. Yes, you could coach somebody, you know, set up a Skype call, just being innovative with it. So set up Skype, FaceTime, Messenger, whatever it is, you're able to interact with your clients. You give them like little to-do things throughout the week. Make sure that they're maintaining themselves, you know, and that's for somebody who's into the exercise field. If you are someone that, what else can I possibly coach you on? If you're somebody that necessarily needs a personal coach or motivational speaker, whatever it is, there is somebody out there that needs your service. And if you're really good at it, I would definitely go ahead and say that is something that can make you a lot of money, because I've seen people sign up for it. You know, the percentage, I don't know, but I know for a fact I've seen people sign up for those. All right. Next, I'm going to go ahead and say freelancing. Now, freelancing, as we know, anything could really fall into that category, from taking pictures to video editing to writing a blog for a person to proofreading an article or a document for a person, from copywriting something for a person. You could go ahead and brand yourself again as being an authority in this space and building trust for your brand. So all these things technically would tie into each other to where it's like, oh, okay, turnkey process. Because if they trust you on one thing and you have built value with them, you've built rapport, you have an open dialect with the people that you're speaking to on a regular, they're gonna basically, honestly, they're gonna have so much trust in you that whatever it is that you tell them, you know, you believe is gonna be a good option or a bad option, they're gonna go with what it is that you have to say. All right. Next, number 4, I would definitely say a virtual assistant. Now, to be a virtual assistant, you could go to sites like Upwork or Fiverr, and which also is the same for freelancing. So you could go to Upwork or Fiverr, create a seller's account, and when you create a seller's account, you basically go ahead and list all the jobs that you're able to do, and things that you're passionate about. I'm not sure if Upwork has you take a test, but with Fiverr, based on what you're attempting to do, you do have to take a test. The test is about 40 questions, depending on, I'm not sure if all of them are 40 questions, but the ones that I've taken are about 40 questions. And as long as you score high enough, they'll go ahead and they will basically approve you to sell that product. So Fiverr is basically making sure, like, all right, this person at least has the basics covered to say that they're proficient in this job that they're selling or the service that they're offering. So you can become a virtual assistant. Being a virtual assistant, you basically, whatever the client wants you to do, that's what you're going to end up doing. So you could be checking emails, you know, helping a small business do whatever it is that they need to do, lead generation, whatever it is that the client wants for you to do, that's what you'll pretty much do. Now, I've seen some top VAs list their service for like $150 an hour, and I'll look at their reviews. It's really good, you know, but I'll also notice that they don't have a lot of orders. But then I'll see VAs that are like $30, $20, you know, $15, and they have orders that are coming in back to back to back. So you have to figure out how you're going to price yourself, and, you know, what exactly do you feel like you should be paid for your time, and what services you're going to offer to make you stand out from the people that basically has been on Fiverr since Fiverr started. So I'm pretty sure there's a lot of competition, and it would be for you to, you know, break that cycle, or break whatever it is that's going on, to where people are going to be attracted to what it is that you have to offer. All right. And the final one is tutoring. Yes, I said tutoring. This could be done in the comfort of your own home. There's actually websites that offer tutoring for children, or for anyone that wants to like learn a specific language. So I think it's called VP Kids or VPA Kids. And there's a few others actually that allow you to teach online. And when you think about it, there's a lot of people that need SAT help, math help, English help. There's college students that also need help. So here it is, you're able to market yourself again as someone who is versed in a certain area of math, SAT tutoring, Spanish, English, whatever it is. And now you can go ahead and charge someone either monthly, weekly, hourly fee for your time. So you're actually helping them do all these things, right? And the best of all, you could do it anytime, especially if it's somebody that lives like overseas. Any time of the day that's convenient for them, you're able to do it, or convenient for yourself. Best of all, you're in the comfort of your own home, and you're using your resources that you already have. We all have a computer, we all have a tablet, we all have internet. Even if you don't have internet, somebody got to open Wi-Fi around the house or around where you live. Like, come on, or Starbucks. So even though we have the whole corona situation, Starbucks still has an open Wi-Fi signal available. So definitely use it up, literally, please. All right, now these are all ways for you to make money during this situation that we're going through. Now keep in mind that your income will vary based on how the products are priced and what the person is going to pay for, if you have any returns, etc. So your income definitely will vary over time, but the more you get proficient and the more trust you build, I'm pretty sure you're going to be able to double your income in no time. And please remember, I can't stress this enough, you have to promote yourself. So it's either you're going to run ads, or you're going to have to do something to make sure that you're able to get out there, get exposure, so people know you are there. Like, you just posting something and thinking that people are going to see it, might not get seen. But if you're going to post it, you're going to run ads, you're going to let people know, hey, I do this, post on your social media, post on Facebook, repost, like all these things. It's going to drive a lot of traffic to you. So, definitely check out those options, see what works for you, see what doesn't, and whatever it is that you decide to do, please just remember to be passionate about it. I think that's the bottom line to all of it. Have passions. What am I going through today? Have passion, be patient, and just, watch everything fall into place. But the main takeaway is that you tried. You're stepping outside your comfort zone and you're doing something else, and you're going to reap the rewards of that. If not now, somewhere down the line, you will be recognized for what you are doing or what you're attempting to do. All right. So please remember, subscribe, like, comment, share the video with, somebody, anybody. But I'll see you guys next time. Hope you guys have a fantastic Sunday. Be safe. 1